My name is Jeff Orleman. I work for REGO-FIX Tool Corp. We're out of Whitestown, Indianapolis. Our parent company is out of Tennecken, Switzerland. And I work in our industrial partnership program. I'm an accounts manager. We are a tool holding company. So we focus on primarily holding your carbide cutter or high-speed steel cutter in a clamping fixture, and then that will be inserted into the spindle of the machine. We are primarily known for two product lines. Our ER product, which is industry standard. We've been known for ER products for 70 years. A product that not as many people are familiar with, but garners just as much praise for its accuracy and precision as our Power Grip tool holding system. It's a press fit tool holding system. It allows customers to maintain about a tenth of integral runout on the tool holder for up to 3 times diameter of that cutting tool. So it's very accurate, very robust tooling system. We offer a product that's standardized among all the machine tool manufacturers, so we're able to support anybody that comes to us. We joined the program last year, and just being involved with it for a year now has already proved valuable beyond measure. We would not have this many eyes on us if it weren't for the partnership. We help them support demos for shows like this. We'll provide tooling and technical support. And then for the sales guys out in the field, we're a phone call away if they come up to any engineering problems or just a quick customer service question. We can answer those as well.